In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a survey form in Smartsheet. To get started, open Smartsheet and either create a new sheet or open an existing one that you want to use for collecting responses. This sheet will act as the foundation for your survey. So every response submitted through the form will automatically appear there as a new row. If you're creating a survey from scratch, it helps to think of the sheet as the place where all your collected data will be organized and stored. Once your sheet is ready, add columns for each of your survey questions. Each column represents one question or one type of response you want to collect. For example, if your survey asks for a person's name, feedback, or rating, each of those should have its own column. Taking a moment to set this up properly will make your responses much easier to review later. Clear column names also help keep the form organized and easy for respondents to understand. After that, click on Forms. This is where Smartsheet lets you turn your sheet into a shareable survey or data collection form. When you open the Forms area, you'll have the option to create a new form connected to the sheet you're working in. Go ahead and create a new form. Smartsheet will automatically pull in the columns you already created and use them as the starting fields for your survey. This saves time and gives you a basic structure right away. From there, you can adjust the form so it matches the exact experience you want people to have when they fill it out. Next, add or edit the survey questions as needed. You can refine the wording so each question is clear and easy to answer. This is an important step because the way a question is written can affect the quality of the responses you receive. Keep your wording simple, direct, and consistent so respondents know exactly what information to provide. Then customize the form title, description, and settings. The title should clearly explain what the survey is about, while the description can give extra context or brief instructions. In the settings, you can control how the form behaves and make sure it fits the way you want to collect responses. This is also a good time to review the overall flow of the form and make sure everything looks polished and professional. Finally, share the form link with your respondents. Once the link is sent out, people can open the form and submit their answers, and those responses will flow directly into your Smartsheet automatically. That's it. You've successfully created a survey form in Smartsheet.